So this is an incredible pair of shoes by an incredible shoemaker. Altan Senzo is an outfit out of Paris. They do bespoke shoes out of their Parisian workshop, but they have a really nice ready-to-wear line that is made in Italy. I don't know where in Italy, but it is made in Italy, and the shoes are just very well made. They give you the option of, they start with Blake stitched. If you'd like it to be what they call handmade Goodyear welted, which is just Goodyear, or which is actually hand welted. They don't use gemming. It's an additional 350 euros. And they do have a Norwegian welt line as well, which starts at about 1,100 euros. So you can break into the brand at a relatively low price point. These, I think, were about 600 euros. And then go up from there. So again, incredible shoes. And this is Blake stitched, which means that the sole is attached directly to the insole of the shoe, and it's stitched from the inside into it. And here they actually hammered shut the sole. So they had cut the groove into it for the stitching like you would normally see, but then they hammered it shut. And they did it at a nice angle so that it's really on the outside of the shoe. But if you look here at the welt line where you would see that on a Goodyear welted shoe, there's no stitching there, and that's because it's on the inside. Now, there's a lot of fudging there because these are high quality, well-finished shoes. Now, they have a pretty narrow waist, but not excessively so, no fiddleback. Heels, combination heel, well done. There's not really a pitch on the heel, and the heel stack is incredibly thick. So, you know, definitely not something that these are, you know, this is just a heel block that they put on there. I don't think that they did this in the workshop, right? Now it is, this is a hole cut shoe. You can see the back where they seam the hole cut together. And then they actually put a piece of leather on top to resemble the U-throat. So it's an Adelaide because it has a U-throat, but it's really different because it's on top of a hole cut. Now they don't mess with it. There's no floating medallion. There's no broguing anywhere. So it's still formal, very dressy. And what's cool about this brand is that Altan hand paints all their shoes in Paris. And so you order the shoe from them, and then they do the patina based on your instructions. Now they have about half a dozen patinas that are out there, and this was the cognac one, which I really liked. I probably need to do some polish on there because I got a couple things not up. But you know, they have a lot of options, including one that says, "Hey, just tell us what you want, and we'll do it," which is an incredible option for you know, high-end collectors who are looking for something unique to add to their collection that's just not like any other shoe. And really, I mean, if you think about patina as a whole, right? Patina shoes are really out there because there's a whole group of us in the shoe collecting world that really like shoes, but just don't want to have what everybody else is wearing. They want something different. And because we want something different, the opportunity to be able to get something where it really is just made and painted for us is a great option. Now, I didn't elect for the custom patina. This is just one of their standard cognacs, but I am very happy with the way it turned out. They also gifted me a can of Saphir wax to go with it, which is a really nice touch as well. Shoe trees are of course a must. Their shoe trees are great. They seem to be very well made, and I recommend them highly. So that is the Altan Adelaide. My next pair from Altan is going to be hand welted, probably Norwegian, because I have a thing for those. But I wanted to try out, I have a pair of summer loafers from them. I wanted to try out one of their Blake stitched regular shoes. Before I jump into the hand welted realm. But I learned about this brand from Justin Fitzpatrick on the Shoe Snob blog, and I couldn't be happier that I took the plunge and now own a couple. I will buy more. Just a great pair of shoes.